In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot with AI to create faster, more personalized sales outreach. We're going to walk through a simple workflow that helps you take the contact and company information already stored in HubSpot and turn it into useful, tailored messaging for your sales team. This can save time, improve consistency, and make your outreach feel much more relevant to each prospect. To begin, open HubSpot and get the contacts or companies ready that you want to personalize for. It helps to make sure the records you're using are clean and complete because the quality of your AI output depends heavily on the information available. If key details are missing or unclear, the generated messages may be too generic. Next, connect your AI or personalization tool to HubSpot. This connection allows the tool to pull data from your CRM and use it as context when generating outreach content. Depending on the tool you're using, this step may involve an integration, an app connection, or a workflow setup. The goal is simply to make sure HubSpot and the AI system can work together smoothly. Once that's done, choose which HubSpot fields the AI should use. Common examples include the contact's name, company, industry, and any note stored in the record. These fields give the AI the context it needs to produce messages that sound informed and specific. The more relevant the selected fields are, the better your final output is likely to be. After that, create a prompt that tells the AI exactly what you want it to generate. This could be a personalized email, a LinkedIn message, a call script, or even a proposal draft. Be clear about the tone, format, and purpose of the message so the output matches your sales process and brand voice. Before rolling this out broadly, test the AI output on a few contacts first. This is an important quality check. It lets you see whether the messages actually sound natural, accurate, and useful when applied to real CRM data. Then take time to review the message quality before using it at scale. Look for anything that feels repetitive, off-brand, or incorrect. Even strong AI outputs should be checked by a human before they become part of a larger outreach process. When you find useful outputs, save them back into HubSpot. This keeps everything organized in one place and makes it easier for your team to reference, refine, or act on the content later. Finally, use this workflow to help your sales team move faster while still delivering personalized outreach. With the right setup, you can streamline repetitive work and give your team a stronger starting point for meaningful conversations.